Hello friends.
Today we're gonna make cookies.
Yeah, chocolate rice cookies.
Yes.
Okay, the ingredients are
This brown sugar and
cocoa,
cocoa and
flour,
and
corn flour,
corn flour and sugar and now butter, egg and the oil and the sprinkles.
Yeah, good
some
boy.
No, and some butter.
Okay.
Then we can make cookies.
Okay.
Let's do this, Khalif.
Who's that? New baby?
Yeah.
Can you please introduce? Yeah, Ali.
Let's see me.
Yeah, 8 months old Ali. You want to cooking too, Ali?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have flour.
Step. Put butter inside the big bowl, okay? Okay, put all the butter.
We just want to put the cookies. Taste it.
Okay, put all the butter. Okay, good boy. You put sugar, baby.
Kali want to put sugar.
Sugar. No, sugar. Baby, where's the sugar?
This?
Okay, put the sugar.
Wait.
Inside.
Put
together. Okay, let baby put. Okay. Kali, you. Abang, you put the egg. You put the egg later.
Egg, that one. No. It's the golden thing. But I want that one.
Okay. Okay, baby, you give to abang. You put egg. Okay, abang put the egg, put the sugar.
And take the egg.
Okay, you put the egg. Put inside.
Put it, Kali.
Okay, put inside. Yes, put all. Put the
Break
sugar.
all way.
Okay, and then
This like snow mountain.
you put the egg. Okay, good boy.
Oh, you leave it.
Okay.
Yes, now can you do it?
Yes, you can mix it.
You can mix it together.
Now what do you put?
And this one?
What's that, baby?
Oil.
Okay, you put the oil. Okay.
Now, can you mix this one?
What's that? Corn
Sugar.
flour.
Flour.
Okay.
Food. Oh, look, it's snowing.
Yeah. Okay, and then put the almond.
Almond, this one?
Yes.
This one almond?
Yes. Put. Okay, baby, put the cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder, this one?
Yes.
I know this one cocoa powder?
Yeah, sure, sayang.
This one brown sugar?
No, it's a cocoa powder, sayang.
Oh, cocoa powder.
Okay, clever boy.
One.
Okay, and then you put the flour.
That one?
Yes. Okay, careful.
It's so heavy.
Yeah, slowly. Okay, so good. Put all. Okay, mix. Now mix, baby. Clever boy.
Come in now.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's snowing. Good, it's snowing.
Mm.
It's doing this one.
Oh, okay. Come, let's do. Good job. Good job, baby. Hey, good boy. Okay, what are you making? What are you making, baby? And abang? Fish. Rabbit. Okay. At abang? Nuts. Who eat nuts?
Squirrel?
So, clever boy. Squirrel eat nuts. What are you making, baby?
ice cream.
Wow, you love ice cream?
Yeah, ice cream very good. This is chill ice cream.
Chilling ice cream. Clever boy. And then you sprinkle, okay, baby?
Yes.
You sprinkle a lot.
Yeah, because I do oil, I put the white.
Oh, first you put the white egg first.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
like this.
Oh, clever boy.
Huh.
The white egg on top of the cookies. Yes.
Yeah.
You spread. And then you sprinkle with the chocolate rice. Mm-hmm. You're so clever. What shape you're doing? What cookies?
Yeah.
Circle, footprint, rainbow, nuts, ice cream, bunny. Some more? And teddy bear. And teddy bear, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. Now we bake, okay?
Not yet.
Mm-hmm.
It's still full. There's one to put this one.
Okay, thank you, baby. The baby's already done. Can you show what shape is that?
Where circle
Circle?
and bunny.
Bunny. Show to the camera. The bunny. Yeah. Okay. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, bismillah. You like it? Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Fine.